Hey guys, what's up? Joey here of Joe Collectibles. Guys, meron kami dito Masters of the Universe Castle Grayskull. It's the playset. I want to show it to you. Okay, open natin. Sealed pa to guys. Mabilisan lang. Available to dito sa shop. So kung libre kayo guys, bisita lang kayo dito. Open ulit kami bukas. Hello guys, Masters of the Universe Castle Grayskull. Available dito to guys. So bisita na kayo, and meron po tayong layaway payment up to 2 months. So, pili lang kayo ng item na gusto nyo, pwede nyo bayaran ng 2 months, and pag nakapag-bayad na kayo, makukuha nyo na yung item nyo. So, what are you guys waiting for? We're located at Block 5, Lot 2, Uruguay Drive, Franz Bill Subdivision. So, kita-kits guys!